Location, location, location. Yes, this home is in Diamond Bar. Hi, I'm Gonzalez with Advanced Realty. This beautiful single-story home is centrally located. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, with a great floor plan, with a lot of upgrades. The spacious living room has fireplace, formal dining room, 2-car garage. It was recently renovated with new interior paint, new flooring, and more. Ready to move in. Easy access to 57 and 60 freeway, close to schools, transportation, shopping center with many restaurants. This is a great opportunity. Let's take a look.